Well, this is basically like a buyer beware or a participator beware thing about freecash.com. It's a reward survey site I've been doing for a while. Apparently, they have this habit of when you hit a larger target goal and you achieve the goal, they don't pay you. And I checked online, there's over 375 complaints of this survey site doing this to people. When you hit a larger goal, they will reject your payment. They will stop payment. They will, and then you try contacting them about it, and you do follow all the steps, submit your ticket, take your screenshots, show your proof, and they still reject it. And they say, no matter what you try to tell us, it's final. We will not be honoring this this payout. And I'm just showing a recording of one of the many chat conversations I had with them. You can, of course, pause this as it goes and read it. This Merge Gardens one was offered by them. I thought it was being offered by the actual maker of the game. I contacted them and they sent me an email saying no, that the Free Cash is the provider and that Free Cash is the one that refused to pay. So don't go to freecash.com. You'll make some money on their site, but if you do anything of any high value, they will refuse to pay you. You'll be wasting your time. I wasted over a month on this damn game to hit one of the bigger goals. I hit a bunch of smaller goals and made a bunch of like a few bucks off the smaller goals, maybe like $20. But the big goal I hit was worth $33, and they're refusing to pay. And not only that, I spent $9.99 of my own money in an attempt to make sure that I hit the level 45 goal, to make sure I made the 33. I figured spend $10, profit $23. That's a good investment, right? No, it was a bad idea because I got screwed over by Free Cash. So do not waste your time on Free Cash. Stick to sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, My Points, YCents. Those are all owned by Protege. Protege is pretty up and up. It's kind of hard to qualify for surveys on Inbox, YCents, and My Points. But Swagbucks is usually a good way to make a lot of money. But do not go to Free Cash. I'm about to cancel my account on there. But before I leave, I'm going to send them a very hateful, expletive-filled message about how I think they suck. And then I'm going to cancel. But I'm not going to upload that thing because I don't want to be too negative on my YouTube channel. I'll lose views and subscribers and all that good stuff. But yeah, stay the hell away from freecash.com. Do not go there. Do not waste your time there. It's a pain in the ass to get withdrawals. Like, they make you verify your identity, upload copies of your freaking like driver's license or ID, state ID, just to be able to do a PayPal redemption. So, or any kind of redemption on their site. And then you have to make like $25 before you can even do your first redemption on their site. It's just a huge waste of time. Do not go to freecash.com. Yeah, so that's my warning for people trying to make money online for the day. Okay, hope this helps some people and keeps you from wasting your time on their crappy, shitty website. All right, bye.